Wonderful people, it's happening. So, the Imam, you know, has come out, an Imam has come out, the Imam in Anambra community has come out to make some clarification with regards to Peter Obi, said he's not happy, and if he remains quiet in the face of what is going on, he said God will not forgive him. And he does not want that, because somebody that have done you good, when the person needs just for you to put a word out there, he's not asking for anything. He did not ask you, but he said common sense and your conscience should tell you the right thing to do. He said, so it's for this reason and this purpose he's coming out to say, you know what, I must speak regarding this matter. I can't be quiet. I must speak out. Now, what's going on? This man said Peter Obi has done some things for them and he cannot be quiet. He said when our mosque was burnt down, Peter Obi quickly rebuilt it and made it even better. Imam Mahmood revealed and said it would be unfair of me to be quiet with all the people who are trying in every way possible to paint him who is not. The secretary of the Muslim community in Anambra State, Imam Mahmood, has disclosed that the Labour Party presidential candidate, Mr. Peter Obi, constructed a new mosque for Muslims when their mosque was destroyed. The period Peter Obi was still then in charge as the governor of Anambra State. Go and investigate and check and see that what I'm saying is the truth. Speaking further, Imam noted that at one point, Peter Obi sent at least 150 Muslims to a pilgrimage in Mecca, stating it clearly that Obi has continued to help the Muslim community since his time as the governor of Anambra State. The Imam made this disclosure during the sermon at the Central Mosque in Onitsha, Anambra State on Sunday, countering all the accusation levied against Peter Obi that he despised Northerners. Daily Post Nigeria has reported. He said, I hear of the audio that some persons are trying to make trouble with himself and one pastor, and they made copies, translating it to different languages and sending it to mosque. Whoever did that is sending a wrong message and is not speaking the truth. It is not the same Peter Obi we know. It is wrong. Let's be honest. This man has done well for us. And if we fail to speak that this man is a good man, even God will remember this. He said when our mosque was burnt down, Peter Obi quickly rebuilt it for us, even made it better. During the crisis that erupted in the state in 2006, Obi ensured that no Hausa man was burnt or anything happened to them. He gave us maximum security in the barrack. He asked every one of us to come to the barrack. Throughout his 8 years as the governor, he would invite us to the government house every year during Salah celebration to eat and to celebrate with us. Furthermore, the Imam noted that many of them are not only close to Peter Obi, but have maintained constant relationship with him, and which he has been benevolent to them, noting that they can authoritatively sit at the state, going round and making sure that they care, that those who wants to tell the North that Peter Obi does not care for the North, they make them know that they are propagating falsehood. It should be recalled that the former governor of Anambra State, Mr. Peter Obi, also visited Muslim faithful recently in Onitsha during the Salah celebration. Why would he do that if he does not love us? There are people who wants to send a bad record, but we are here on ground and we see how we work together. We don't want such a message to be spread about a man who cares for us. If we don't say the truth, God is watching. So my wonderful people, this is part of what is going on, and you can see for yourself. Yeah, you can see for yourself. Yeah, that people know. People know. People know. People really know. It's wrong when some people are trying to manipulate and move things from one place to another in a pretense, trying to say that they don't know what's going on. They know. They are just being pretentious. Okay, they are being very pretentious. Okay, so it is absolutely something that people should not pay attention to and allow to continue. Every time there is need, okay, for change to come, you will see that some persons will try to do whatever they can in their capacity to hinder it. But why do we stay there and we are not speaking? Okay, why are we not speaking? So these are possibilities and things that are going on. Okay, we just need to ensure that we do what is right and needed and bring Nigeria to the very place where reputation can be built again. We know the right persons to get into some position to ensure that we begin to really make real tangible progress in the right direction. But you know what we do? We pretend, and we pretend like we don't know. We just carry on as if it's wrong. You see, so this is some of the things that are going on, and why Nigerians, nobody, should allow people who are trying to lie and send us deceit, deceive us, and lie to us to continue on their track. Every time, they try to perpetrate and spread this news, we should let them know that it is wrong, and we know, you know, you know, it is wrong, and we know, because this is about Nigeria. This is about Nigeria. This is about us, getting the right people, and we need everyone to be on board. We need collectively, we need people to work together as one, not different entities. Okay? Not different entities, not one here, one there. No, it doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. So it is a matter of serious concern when there are issues and people are trying to pretend that there is nothing going on. Nigerians, you see, this is an imam now coming out to defend Peter Obi, an imam. But for whatever is worth, we just want you to know that, truly, sincerely speaking, we can actually and sincerely make a difference. But what are we doing? Are we just going to sit back there and do nothing and watch them display their arrogance? Those that are not qualified to even, in fact, to even get their own life affair in order. They've not done that. And yet they want to dictate, or they want to tell people what to do. Can you see that most of them, they don't even know they don't even know what they paying them. They don't even know where they're. So Nigerians, the time to really begin to look at these things is now, so that, truly, sincerely speaking, we can make progress. Yes, we can make progress and get there. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. God bless. Have a lovely and a fantastic day. From us is bye for now. Bye-bye.